Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Chevrolet Malibu 2016 to 2022? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment in the 2016 Chevrolet Malibu offers seating, climate control, and access to entertainment and vehicle controls for occupants. The passenger compartment in the 2017 and 2018 Chevrolet Malibu provides comfortable seating, climate control, and infotainment access for all occupants. It is designed to enhance safety, convenience, and overall driving experience. The passenger compartment of the 2019 to 2022 Chevrolet Malibu offers spacious seating for 5, with available features like heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and premium upholstery for enhanced comfort. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment in the 2016 Chevrolet Malibu houses critical components like the engine, battery, fuse box, and cooling system. It supports vehicle performance by enabling power generation, temperature regulation, and electrical distribution. The engine compartment in the 2017 and 2018 Chevrolet Malibu houses essential systems, including the turbocharged engine, battery, and cooling components. The engine compartment of the 2019 to 2022 Chevrolet Malibu houses critical systems including turbocharged engines, the battery, fuse box, and cooling components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.